I'll lay down, cover fire as always. Sorry everybody, it's Cooper with the D3Z unit. We're about to play our first sponsored team game at Black Ops Airsoft. Hit! Hit! Hey, does anybody see anything over there? Make watch the wood line to your left. Your 9 o'clock. Watch your 9 o'clock. We might got somebody in the wood line. I'm gonna see if I can't get over here from. Shit, nice.
Far building, straight ahead.
I see. He's got me pretty good over here. Let me swing around. Yeah, I'm good. It's the water box. Huh. I'm gonna hit him with a thunder when I get back. Okay. Copy that. Anybody got eyes? Never mind. Can anybody push up to that hey, who do I got left? Okay, can anybody move up to that cylindrical to the left? Nope. I tell you what, I'm gonna lay down cover fire. I want you to head towards it. All right. Got one. Oh, okay. That's thank goodness for the ricochet.
They're watching this corner?
Yeah, they are.
Alright. Do you think I'm going to be able to stay down and move up to the next building?
Negative. We're going to have to push back a bit and swing around.
I was hoping I'd be able to get back up where I was. I could toss a thunderbeat and take them all out.
Alright, I'll tell you what. If you want to run to this cylindrical here, I'll throw down cover fire for you.
Okay, you ready?
Good move. Okay, we've got everybody in the rear. We need to push up on them. They're huggy bearing it. Yeah, I see. All right. Hey, rear building, guys, rear building. I got him pinned. What do you see, Crow? Right hand side. They're going through the woods, Throw your kill rag up, Copy that. We got 12 o'clock, it's about 12 o'clock. Oh wow, okay.
I didn't know there was a guy in the woods.
Yeah, that's how I was like, I had him.
Suck. Plus, I also thought, I sort of had an idea because I heard someone coming from over there. But,